Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how you can easily make first letter capital in Microsoft Excel. So let's take a look how to do that. You can see here is a Microsoft Excel worksheet document, and you can see there is a sum name which is all small, but I like to make all this capital with simple trick. How you can do so? Like you want first word to be capital and all other small. So for that is simply click on is equal to and then click on PROPER proper, and then click first bracket and then choose this cell and then click close bracket and then hit enter, and you will see immediately this name first word is capital, first and last name both capital. Now if you want to make all this you can do just simply scroll like this and all the name will be set all this gentle way. So this is how you can easily make any Microsoft Excel any names with like this. Maybe some cases you want to copy these things with other Excel sheet, etc. You can do easily without formulas. So simply copy these things, that click copy, and then now I'm going to open another sheet and now I am going to paste it here. So for that you have to click this paste section and choose this paste value, so it will be only copy the name without formula. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.